Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Direct online starting method can be used in the motors having the capacity less than 5 HP. The starter consists of main contactor, fuses, and thermal or electronic overload relay. The thermal overload relay has been used to protect the motor winding against overload. Fuses are also provided for overload protections. The single phase preventer will trip when there is disconnection of any one of the phase to the motor or when the motor connections phases are reversed. The main electrical equipment is connected to the supply through the contacts of the contactor. The control unit is connected across the two phases of input supply. The control circuit of DOL starting system has a conductor connected in series with its self-sealing contact and the normally closed stop BP contact. Electrical contactor has a solenoid with plunger which moves a set of electrical contacts from closed position to open position or vice versa. The plunger of the solenoid picks up when there is an energization of the electromagnetic coil. When the coil is de-energized, the plunger returns to its original position due to the action of spring. The combinations of NO and NC contacts will be according to the need in the control system. In order to start the motor, press the start push button and the contactor gets energized. Once the contactor is energized, its contacts will close and connect the AC motor to the supply. Now the motor gets power supply and starts to run. The running motor can't be disturbed by the start push button once the contactor was energized. When stop PB is pressed, the contactor loses supply and drops, opening its contacts in the holding circuit of the coil. Hence the supply to the motor is disconnected and the motor comes to rest. DOL starter also has protection devices such as overload relay and single phase protection relays which are normally closed contacts. If the protective device contact is open due to a relevant fault, the contactor drops and stops the motor. For remote operation of the motor, the start PB and stop PB can be located at a remote place and connected electrically through cables. DOL starter is a simple and cheap for a 3-phase induction motor. Thus you have understood about the working of DOL starter in AC machines.